What is the function of a vortex generator? Answer. It is designed to delay or prevent separation of the boundary layer. Question 2. What are the three axes of an airplane? Answer. Longitudinal, lateral, and vertical. Question 3. What are the three primary flight controls of an aircraft? Answer. Ailerons, elevator, and rudder. Number 4. Name several secondary flight controls and describe their general purpose. Secondary flight controls are various types of trim tabs, such as balance tabs, anti-servo and servo tabs, and spring tabs. Their function is to assist the pilot in moving the controls and trim the airplane to fly hands off. Number 5. Name several types of auxiliary flight controls and describe their general purpose. Answer. The auxiliary flight controls consist of the various high-lift devices used during low-speed flight, such as leading and trailing edge flaps, slats, slots, and speed brakes. Number 6. What is a servo trim tab? Answer. It is an auxiliary control positioned by the movement of the cockpit control and designed to create aerodynamic forces to assist in moving a control surface. Number 7. What is a spring tab? Answer. It is an auxiliary control designed to aid the movement of a primary control at high speeds when control forces become too high. Number 8. What is a balance trim tab? Answer. It is an auxiliary control designed to create aerodynamic forces to assist in moving a control surface. The tab is positioned by a control rod connected to the fixed surface on the same side as the horn on the tab. Number 9. What are the four most common types of high-lift devices? Answer. Leading and trailing edge flaps, slats, and slots. Number 10. Describe some of the tools used to check control surface travel. Answer. A universal propeller protractor or special control surface protractor. Number 11. Name 3 mechanical methods by which flight control systems may be actuated. Answer: cables, push-pull rods, and torque tubes. Number 12. What is a fair lead? Answer: it is a device to prevent a cable from rubbing on the aircraft structure. Number 13. What are the most likely places for a control cable to wear or break? Answer: where the cables pass over pulleys or through fair leads. Number 14. What information is required before a cable rigging chart can be used? Answer: the ambient temperature and the cable size. Number 15. What is the function of a cable tension regulator? Answer: it automatically adjusts the cable tension to compensate for expansion and contraction in the aircraft structure due to heat and cooling. 16. Describe the function of a rotorcraft collective pitch control. Answer: the collective control causes each rotor blade to change its pitch angle by the same amount, thus increasing or decreasing the lift produced by the rotor. Number 17. Describe the function of a rotorcraft cyclic pitch control. Answer: the cyclic control tilts the main rotor disc by changing the pitch angle of each rotor blade during its cycle of rotation. This causes the helicopter to move in the direction the rotor tilts. Number 18. What mechanism is most commonly used to compensate for the torque produced by the main rotor of a helicopter? Answer: the tail rotor. 19. How is the amount of thrust produced by the tail rotor controlled? Answer: by moving the foot pedals. Number 20. Why should control surfaces be locked when an aircraft is parked? Answer: to prevent damage from the wind.